Hello lovely ones, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn how to tie this sick scarf, gorgeous scarf. So let's start. For those who haven't subscribed, why didn't you subscribe to my channel? It's not too late. Subscribe to my channel. I love you. Just encourage me to do more. So this is my silk. It's in square, so I will have to fold it into half. Look at the way I fold it into a triangle. Thereafter, I'm just making sure you see it. I just play the long side of the triangle onto my head. Is this a triangle? No. And you see what I'm doing? Just tie it. I just make a knot. Thereafter, you bring this way. Bring this same way, this way, and take the two and just make a knot. You see the knot? Thereafter, you bring this one and just wrap it over, you see, and tuck it in. Just that. And arrange. Easy peasy. You see how easy it is? See?